Whoa! Here's my 2 cents. Take it with a grain of salt. What is up, you guys? Salty Pennies here, and Kuma Bear and Tabi-san. We are going to be doing an unboxing video. It should only take a couple minutes. I'm going to build the chair hopefully right in front of you. I just gave away what I'm unboxing, but that's okay. Because by the power of editing, it'll be right here. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Right, so this video is going to be really annoying because I'm shooting on the camera inside of the kitchen with a super bad lens. You're so yeah. This is like $180 I think on Amazon. Got it for 90 bucks. Woo! That's a steal. Here we don't use instructions, we just do it. So, prepare for me to mess this up. Instructions that we'll need, some screws. Bro, I've got the ultimate. This is how you know it's a good company, when they send you assembly gloves. Alright, Saltines, well, hope you enjoyed the chair build, and I hope you enjoy my puppy all up in the camera. So, got this for a steal. Keep your eyes out on Craigslist, offer up, and all that kind of stuff. You might find something like this. Brand new in box, half price. Can't even be mad at that. Stay salty.